So I'm making a counterweight for this knife jig rod. How I do this is I get a 6-inch piece of brass and I turn a step taper on it. So most blanks have a rise over run of 2/1000ths by 400,000ths. So you can see here this first step, I went in 2/1000ths, and then I turn the feed on for 400,000ths, then I go in another 2/1000ths, 400,000ths, and keep going down the blank until I've got it done. Then when I am done, I'll take this whole slug and stick it up in the rod and figure out if I need to cut any off to get a good balance. So I've got the steps done. Again, that's 200,000ths in on diameter, 400,000ths down the length of the plug. And when it's all done, this is what you end up with. Now I've taken a file and blended those steps in and kind of left a coarse finish on that, because what I'll end up doing is I'll hot glue this up into the butt of the blank. But once it goes in, it just fits in there like a round going into a chamber. I've got a 1/4-20 tapped hole in the end of that, so if I ever want to pull it out, I can just break that hot glue loose, and that's it. It's now balanced.